To extend the expressive possibilities of the flute and go beyond the limits of the instrument has always been my ambition. Every talented musician needs a good instrument, an instrument that allows him to express himself without any technical limitation. The resistance of the instrument is particularly important. High karat gold as well as thick wound instrument display a greater resistance as, for example, silver or lighter instruments. My goal was to influence the acoustic properties of the flute independently from the material used, to enhance sound projection and reproduce such features as in high quality instrument similarly on any other one. WOODIFY is a new device which improves tonal characteristics on modern Böhm flutes. It consists of a wooden ring mounted on the head joint of the instrument. The wooden surface, in contact with the tube, dampens the vibrations of the instrument. By doing so, it automatically increases the resistance of the flute. This results in a brighter, richer, and more focused tone, as well as a greater dynamic range. You can hear the difference yourself. Even in the softest passages, you will obtain a warmer sound and an easier legato. The instrument also profits in terms of responsivity. Acoustic measurements have been made to display how WOODIFY affects the harmonic spectrum of the flute sound. WOODIFY also allows you to balance the instrument to your needs. By changing the position on the tube, you can enhance selectively the lower or the higher register. The step-by-step regulation of the screw allows you to control effectively the amount of damping. This gives you the freedom to choose how your flute will sound. Mounting WOODIFY on the instrument is very easy too. Open the screw, place WOODIFY on the head joint, assemble the instrument, fasten WOODIFY at the desired position. Make sure you place WOODIFY at a distance of 2 to 8 mm measured between the main body and the lower end of the ring. You will experience your instrument as you have never experienced it before. Give your musical ideas new space. WOODIFY your flute.